Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need the basics set, so sign into your Xbox Cloud account and confirm Game Pass Ultimate. Plug into wired Ethernet or switch your device to 5 GHz Wi-Fi for lower latency. Once done, close background apps and enable performance mode on your client device to free CPU and GPU resources. Launch Fortnite in the Cloud app and choose the highest available stream quality setting. You're starting strong. These steps reduce stutter immediately and prepare you for the next configuration layer. You'll now tune streaming and Fortnite settings to match your network. In the Cloud app, set streaming quality to high or balanced and turn on adaptive bitrate so the service adjusts to spikes. In Fortnite pick performance mode, target 60+ frames per second and use a 16:9 resolution for stable scaling. If your bandwidth is limited, make sure to cap stream resolution to 720p. Once done, test a short match to confirm visuals and frame pacing improved before moving to final tweak. Finish by enabling low latency mode in the Cloud client and disabling HDR if it causes compression artifacts. Make sure your device uses hardware decoding and that the app and GPU drivers are up to date. This reduces CPU bottlenecks and improves clarity. Once done, play a full match and monitor frame drops. If visuals still lag or blur, restart your router, switch to a public DNS like Google's, or lower the stream bitrate. That single troubleshooting step often resolves quality swings quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.